Woke up with the light, a sky so blue upon my eyes. With a thankful heart, today is another brand new start. I feel so positive.
My dear friends all over the world, welcome back again. This is Mr. Osama Muqbil, the English teacher and the self-improvement coach. I know that you may have opened this video particularly because you may think that at last you will get to know the miraculous and magical recipe that will help you improve your speaking skill in 10 or 15 days. I know that you may feel happy because you may say to yourself, oh, at last I have found that a great magician who will help me improve my speaking skill in 10 or 15 days. I'm sorry if I will let your dreams and wishes dash against the hard walls of reality. Because as I told you in the previous episode, the journey of learning is sort of long, full of turns, ups and downs, bumpy roads, challenges, risks, and a lot of details you have to learn. And you know that if you shield your mind and your brain definitely with these great weapons, passion, persistence, positivity, determination, power, and enthusiasm, you will be able to understand the core message of learning, which is continuity, progress, enhancement, improvement. This is the most important thing you have to bear in mind. So that's why I want you to stop asking that question all the time. Teacher, how much time does it take to improve my speaking skill? Teacher, how much time should I spend on learning English all the time? Bro, I want you just to understand that when you keep asking this question all the time, you will jeopardize and spoil the excitement you can get each time you want to add something valuable to your personal account of knowledge. So the most important thing is continuity, progress, and each time you take another step farther and further, you are getting closer and closer to your ultimate goal, which is speaking English fluently, effortlessly, and naturally. That's why today I'm going to share with you another tip. The power of repetition, 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 repetition. And we're going just to learn one simple cliche used by native speakers, particularly among Native Americans. The cliche is, see you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. Actually, this cliche is used when a native speaker is saying something nice to a kid before he finishes the conversation or leaves the kid. So I say, for example, to my friend, see you later, alligator, and he says to me, in a while, crocodile. I want you just to keep repeating this all the time from the morning until the end of the day. See you later, 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 see you later. Just make sure that the tip of your tongue is touching your teeth from inside. The tip of your tongue, as if that you're pronouncing the sound D. See you later, 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 later. I see you. Just practice, practice, practice. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. That's why today we have a very wonderful guest from a grade 8 who is going to practice this nice cliche with us. Welcome, bro. How are you doing?
Fine.
Now, I want you just to introduce yourself at first.
Okay, my name is Al. I'm an 8th grader.
Cool. I think that you have a title, right?
Of course.
What is your title?
My title is the Prince of Enhancement.
Prince of Enhancement. Wow, what a nice title. Now, could you tell me what this title means? Enhancement, what does it mean?
I think it means importance.
Improvement to me.
Yeah.
It means improvement. Now, you know that this is the core message of our series, all improvement, continuity, progress, enhancement, and so on and so forth. Bro, I want you to know how to practice this nice cliche with me. And I think that you know what you are here for today, right?
Of course.
Cool. Now, I say at first, see you later, alligator. You have to say?
In a while, crocodile.
Very good. See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
Very good. Now I'd like just to clap with you like this. See you later, alligator. And then you say?
In a while, crocodile.
Very good. 1, 2, 3. See you later, alligator. In a while.
Crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
Very good. Now the third time, I'd like just to make it faster a bit. But you know, when you say in a while, crocodile, I want you to clap your both hands against my both hands. Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. See you later, alligator.
In a wild crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
In a wild crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
In a wild crocodile.
Very good. Thank you so much, bro. It's very nice to have you today. Do you want to say something before you leave?
It's my pleasure to be here and practice this awesome cliche with you.
Thanks a lot, bro. It's my pleasure too. It's my own pleasure actually to have you too. And thanks a lot for tuning in. Have a nice day, bro. See you later, alligator.
In a wild crocodile.
Thank you, bro. My dear, as you have just watched, it's very simple to practice this nice cliche. See you later, 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 see you later. See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. I want you to stop saying it's time to study, because every time is the nice time to study. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, when you go driving, go swimming, go scuba diving, when you hang out with your friends, when you do your homework, when you do a presentation, when you want to have some fun with your friends, when you spend some quality time with your family members. I want you to keep saying all the time, see you later, see you later, see you later, see you later, and let your nephews, your nieces, your daughters, your sons, your friends say to you in a wild crocodile, see you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. I know that you may ask me a question now. Okay, that's fine. I learned this nice cliche, but what good is repeating it all the time? It's a very good question, and thanks a lot for paying my attention to such a question. My dear, you have to be intelligent and smart enough just to branch and expand your territory, because you know well how to pronounce the other words that have the same pronunciation, such as bitter, bitter, which means not a sweet. Oh, this juice is bitter, not a sweet. And better. How do you feel now, buddy? I feel better. Thanks for asking. And butter. Oh, I feel hungry. I want just to eat some jam with butter. Bitter, better, 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 butter. And then you know how to pronounce the words elevator. Oh, the elevator is out of order, so I have to use the stairs. And the word letter. I will write you a thank you letter soon. And the word translator. My dream is to be a very famous translator when I grow up. So my dear friends, when you know well how to pronounce these words, your territory will be very tremendous, and you make sure that you are standing in a very solid foundation that helps you be strong enough, great enough, confident enough to take another step until you get closer and closer and closer to that great level of proficiency. My dear friends, remember that the journey is long, but at least you are improving and you are enhancing on a daily basis. Until I see you again, I wish you a very awesome weekend full of love, passion, enthusiasm, and all kinds of ecstasy and positivity. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile.